Hello guys and welcome back to GosTech. Today we will learn how to search for images and how to import them. If you want to search for photos, go to search bar here on the left corner, and search for what you want. We search for world. Then we see the results, but be careful, because some are free and some are paid. Let's try one. If you want to upload your own photos, go to Uploads here, and click Upload Files, or even you can record yourself. We have uploaded some flags here. To insert it to the project, click on it. Now you can resize how you want, rotate it, or crop it. Let's upload another one. That's it. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more.